Hey there, come be lazy with me. You don't even need a mat. Just lie down.
Welcome to yoga. Meet me in full wind pose. Bring your knees towards your chest and hold on to your shins. Feel the subtle sensation of your breath as it travels up and down your spine, creating space everywhere it goes. Then place your feet flat on your mat and slide one hand underneath your lower back. Do you feel that arch there? Keep your hand there and tuck your pelvis so that you squash your hand. This is called a pelvic tilt. Keep this pelvic tilt and hold. You can keep your hand where it is to help remind you to keep your back flat, or you can place your hand back on your tummy. This simple pelvic tilt is really good for you if you tend to stand a lot and get achy in your lower back. So release the pelvic tilt for a moment. Take a big inhale. Exhale, pelvic tilt, and hold. Continue to breathe while you hold. Lengthening out your lower back. This can feel really good for some of you. Maybe not like much for the rest of you. Either way, it's still doing good for you. So release the pelvic tilt, big breath in. Exhale to pelvic tilt and hold. Continue to breathe. And while you hold this pelvic tilt, take your arms out by your sides like cactus arms, bent at the elbows. The tops of your hands touch the ground. Now, this is a mobility exercise, so it might be really challenging. Just do what works for your range of motion. And begin to straighten out your arms overhead, keeping the tops of your hands touching the ground the entire time. Keep your pelvic tilt even as you're doing this. And when your arms come all the way up, then begin to bend your elbows, dragging your arms back down. So these are called floor angels. Tops of your hands touch the ground the entire time. See if you can even draw your elbows down towards your ribs, coming all the way down. And then slowly continue going up and down with your arms. Finding the range of motion that suits you, but move slow and controlled. Tops of your hands pressing the ground as much as you can, and keep your pelvic tilt the entire time. For about 3 more floor angels. Then when you're through, take your arms down by your sides, palms facing down. Then lift your hips up for a bridge pose. Hold your bridge and press your weight down evenly through your feet. Press your knees forward so they don't splay open. And watch the rise and fall of your belly. For 3, 2, 1. Slow release. Bring your hips all the way down. Then bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall open. Take one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. Gently close your eyes. Feel yourself on your mat, in your body, with your breath. You'll never receive what you cannot handle. And you may not be able to control what's happening to you or around you, but you can control how you react to it. Find the calm. Find the confidence. Trust your intuition. You're exactly where you need to be. Namaste.
That felt good. Well, I hope you have a good rest of your day. And if you want to keep that good feeling going, I invite you to join me tomorrow for my 5-minute simple yoga flow as part of my 21-day yoga challenge. Just click the link in the description down below or scan this QR code. See you tomorrow.